My salutations to everyone. This is Kisla and here we start with our Arduino Mega 2560 to implement our simple design which has got the input range between 7 to 12 volts. Moving on, we have used soil moisture sensor as we can see with humidity sensor, and they record the data and that is sent to the server, and then we move on to the temperature sensor, which is also used here to measure the temperature of the soil, and then all the data recorded is sent to the LCD display, which would show the data continuously, and then it would send the data to the server. And then we have also used water level sensor so that we can measure the amount of water which is present in the soil and set the motor to be on or off accordingly. Moving on, we have used the motor so that it pumps water accordingly to the level of the moisture content in the soil, and then it could be turned on off manually or automatically using moisture sensor, and all the data which are recorded are coming on to the GSM tool here used, which then sends it to our server via email or SMS, and we get the updates regularly. And then moving on to the power supply we have used for our system. Here we have used a filter capacitor, rectifier and voltage regulator so that we can get an output of 9 volts and 1 amps, so that can be fed to our Arduino.
Now we will be demonstrating our project. So first of all, we give the power supply. So the LED glows indicating that it is on now. And then we come see the LCD where a message is displayed, which is our project name. After that we see the GSM where we have the SIM inserted, so it searches for the network, and after getting the network it gives the message GSM connected, and now we will take the reading.
Hello everyone, myself Ronit. Probe and water level indicator dipped in dry soil. Now we will get the data on LCD display: temperature, humidity, moisture and water level. Moisture and water level is quite low. It is visible. The data is sent to website page, and you can see that moisture level and water level is low, due to which motor starts running. And also I got the notification on my phone, so fill that dry, motor on. You can see the time 12:30. Now the moisture probe and water level indicator dipped in wet soil, and data is visible on display: temperature, humidity, moisture and water level. Moisture and water level is good. The moisture level and water level is good, so motor will be off in few minutes. Have temperature sensor. The role of temperature sensor is to record surrounding temperature. And also have alarm. The role of alarm is to beep at every complete cycle of data. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ankit Singh. Apart from the automatic irrigation, the user can get SMS alerts like this. Also, the system sends email to the user's email ID like this. In addition to this, all the field data like temperature, humidity, moisture and water level are stored on a web page which is accessed like this. We need to enter our login ID and password. So on logging in on the web page, we can see different data being shown graphically. Also, we can see the data in tabular form in a sequence manner according to the date. That is all about working. Thank you. Now Anurag and Saket will conclude.